My name is Darlis Cristina Ortiz Diaz. The Guajira it is distinguished by its deserts, landscapes, gigantic sand-dunes, and remote ancients and finished village of the Indios Guayú. People the capital city Riohacha as a constant line white plains, trees, beachy and castro styles and serves a gateway for adventure tourists in the region. The Guajira, in its immense diversity, is the only department of Colombia with an ancient culture distinguished by its Guayú. It is also registered tourist center since its beautiful beach, such is in Cabo de la Vela, Mayapo, Alta Guajira, Muelle de Riguacha, Punta Gallinas, Plaza Padilla are the most beautiful of yoke exalt air culture riches signs in the territory. There is the mining and the productive of soil. You can come from it and enjoy it is gastronomy such as fresh shrimp, rice and guayu chicha. In the Guajira, there are many tourist places. Come and Ayo, come and Ayo. It is beautiful countries and exotic cuisine along with the beautiful Wayu culture in the uses and the customs. I am Wayu and Pobre Guajira and I invite you to live this beautiful experience.